Good evening, everyone. Second game kita. Strollers versus Copy Mods. For formality. Mapasalamat kami kayo sa aton mga sponsors. Thank you, Gid. Honorable Mayor Judith C. Gallego, Vice Mayor Tom Ledesma, Councilor Noynoy Penuela, Councilor Mike Maravilla, Councilor Ryan Gamboa, Kapremi Roldano, Barangay Balaring, Silay Institute, Otsoy's Bistro, Chick Boys Grill, The Yard, Puno Garis, Pintok Arts, Gaston Tattoo, and most especially to Sir Paulo Chanco of Team Paulo Chanco Organization. Madamugin nga salamat. First quarter kita, Copy Mods versus Strollers. Oh no. Perfect. Bam! Basket for Paloma. Steal for Copy Mods. Basket. 3 points. 6-0 na yun. Para sa Copy Mods. Dahil sa ino, daog sa first game. Daog ang punong Garis. Ryan Azuro. Short. Ball for Copy Mods. Ay, Copy Mods. For Strollers. 3 points on Nare. Wala. Rebound. For Copy Mods. Steal. By Strollers. Steal again by Strollers. Wala sa gihapon. Bam! 9-0 na. Score 9-0 for Copy Mods. Nice block. There's out of bounds.
4-9-0 in favor of Copy Mods.
Ball para sa Strollers. Nice pass. Wala gyapon. Sino nagdagi na Messi Taylor por punong Garis. 3 points. Wala. Ball para sa Strollers. 9-0 sa gyapon ang score. Strollers ball. Nakashoot man gid. 9-2. Azuro basket. 11-2 para sa Copy Mods. Good evening, Elmar. Thank you. Goodbye. Ay, wala gapon. Kanugon. Thank you, Gidmar, sa pag-attend ko kinasan turnover. 3 points. Wala. Rebound for Copy Mods. Tres. Wala. Secret. Good evening, Madam Ross Borsillo. Ball for Strollers. Ay, wala gyapon. Copy Mods ball. Hello, Madam. Good evening. Good evening, Jella sa Bobo Robles. 3 points. Buena fe. Wala. Rebound for Copy Mods. Basket. 13-2 na. Score 13-2. Alvin Adver, John Mark Pagaperde, Boss Boy. Nice pass! Ball Strollers. Bublo. Basket. 4-13 na score. 4-13. Copy Mods. Trollers ball. Basket. 13-6. Copy Mots. Rebound for Toronto's. 5 minutes remaining. First quarter. Bublo for 3. Paloma for 3 again. Basket. 16-6. Paloma for 3 again. Rebound. Copy mo ay Rollers. Basket for Galatagan. 8-16. Basket. 8-18.
Shot clock 18 seconds.
Ay! Copy Mots ball. Rebound for Trollers. Still, wala. Bublo again. Basket. 10-18. Calvo for 3. Out of bounds. Good evening, Madam. A shout out kay Honey T.G. Aling kay Kagawad Alfred. Mama, shout out kay Sir Nicordam. Kita na sa bongga shot. Ay, wow. Rebound for Copy mo. 3 minutes remaining. Hello, Madam. Shout out na kay number 30 sa Trollers. Nga Gaurayu. Ryland sa balay. Aling kay Romsky Infante. Wala. Rebound for Copy Mots. 10-18 ang score. Nice pass. Ay! Donaire for 3. Ay, tulang. Ay, ko kita alin niya. 18-12 para sa gani. Copy Mots. Gani. Azuro! May versa!
2 minutes.
Tapos,
Copy Mots ball! Three points! Basket! 21-12! Basket for Donaire.
Good for 2.
Uy, nabayan.
1 minute and 30
3
seconds.
points! Basket again!
3
Grabe! Puro stress ba? 24-14. No. Hasta fourth quarter.
1 minute.
Basket.
Toronto basket. Good for 2.
24-16 for Copy Mots.
5 seconds.
Wait a minute, time out. Rebound.
25 seconds.
Ay, man. Hoy! Isa pa! Out of bounds. Ay, wala. Save.
15
Trollers ball. Basket. 2 points Down, shout out sa...
30 seconds.
Shout out sa referee nga sa tubang mo, lakad-lakad man na doon. Huwag may gapon. Isa pa. Wala lang yan. 24, 6, 18.
15. 10.
Lo.
Five.
Wala. Kabos pa jutay. Basket. 26-18. And our first quarter, 26-18. Para sa Coffee Moons.
18 in favor of Baltimore.
Ay na kay managsulod na niya ang Trollers sa championship. Trollers versus Puno nga itong yung championship. Si Repuga tira-tira ay. Dali na, papawaya! Papawaya! Yung mga na! Dali ba lang? Papawaya! Oh, second quarter, wala puway-puway. 26-18. Pero tayo. Nakabang, what? Balipul ba? 3 points! Wala. Rollers ball on steal. Coffee Mots to Paloma basket.
Paloma basket, good for two.
28-18. Bublo for 3. Awas. 28-18 sa gihapon. 3 for Calvo. Tiko. Tuholito. Game pasa. For 3. Short. Ay na. Basket again for Paloma. 31-18 for Coffee Mots. Anong ginala? Shout out kay JR Gilatagaan, 3 points anay by Lolong Neck. Halin kay April Joy Adlaon. Whoop! Bublo for 3. Wala. Rebound para sa Coffee Mods. 31-18. Calvo for 3. Wala. Ball for Trollers. Kagawad mo ay game pasa. Tugil ang tagaan. Rebound for Coffee Mods. Layo nga Tristan ba? Oh! Awas pa.
7 minutes to remain in
Razuro basket.
basket, good for two.
33-18. Basket for Gilantagaan. 33-20.
Good for two.
Anong daog first game, madam? Daog ang punong Garis. Well, ano na nga panihiraman? Azuro again! Basket!
Duo basket, good for two.
35-20. For 3. Out of bounds. Basket for Galatagaan.
Basket, good for two.
35-22. Rebound for Trollers. Nice pass. Solito. Short. Shout out to our Copy Mats boys. We can never ask for better team members. So proud of you. Cheers from Rosami Azuro. Go team Copy Mats. Hindi na hala-hala. Holito.
Shot clock 14.
For 3 basket.
Olito,
25-35. Cabo for 3. Rebound for Trollers. Ano gagawin sila yung dua? Oh!
14 shot clock.
O isa pa.
Shot clock time.
Shoot. Basket for Galantagaan. 27-35. Lain! Rebound for Trollers, 35-27. Basket again for Galantagan.
Good for 2.
29-35 na score. Trollers ball. Balas na nila ya. Kagawad mo mo ito mirap. Tulito basket. 31-35. Calvo for 3. Wala. Azuro. Wala tagay yapon.
14 shot clock.
Calvo for 3. Basket. 38-31.
3 point.
Basket.
Galantagan.
38-33. Paloma for 3 again. Azuro. Wala. Gilatagan sa giyabon. Si kagawad mo yung moy. For 3. Wala. Rebound. Para sa Trollers.
14 shot clock.
Olito. Basket.
3 point.
36-38. For 3. Matay ba? Coach. Time out, coach. Good luck, Trollers, watching from Kuwait.
Omega 2 minutes.
Basket.
Run the play.
Forty, 36. Rest for Olito. Wala. Lakat-lakat ka lang ko rin pa. Why
Run
we
the
skip?
play. Remaining time 1 minute and 13 shot clock.
Kapoy. Galantagan for 3. Wala. Rebound. Copy Mats ball. 42-36. Basket. 3 points. 45-36 para sa Copy Mats.
1 minute.
Ulito. Wala.
50 shot
Half court. 3 points. Bam! Half court pa.
14 shot clock.
Resman. Sa paget. 48-36. for 3 basket. 51-36. Madam, shout out Team Geroners from Rodel Makaig.
Hallelujah. Ang una yung pinakasadya ka rin. Ganun naman ko yan.
And our second quarter, 51-36.
Score 51-36 in favor of Optimum.
Running time na lang na. What na lang ka? Pagka-plus.
Third quarter na yun.
Fourth na lang dahil ah.
Di kami sa plaza.
Tapos na lang na.
Sanaya! God, kapatid.
Ano yun lang. Shout out na sa ako. May mods na lang tag-out live.
Ara. Shout out tamo.
May mods. Mayon na lang ang tag-out. Kodo. Iho na. Kulay, matagal sa kulot.
Ah. $36.51 para sa Coffee Mots. Running time na lang natin, minutes ha. Rebound, Coffee Mots. 5 lang gid sila. Liwat! So, 8:14. Bam!
Ikaw ka ba?
36-54. Watch na lang kami din, madam. Team Coffee Mots from Rolly James, Nikia. Madam, good PM. Ano na nga quarter? Third quarter. Sino to na may Suzuki? Sino to may Suzuki? Ibanez, wala. Rebound, may kwaon.
Remaining time 3 minutes and 45 seconds.
No! Lai, ka ginawa, tres ba?
Anong nakadress nila para? Magulamin pagwa.
36-57. Iba, no. Apa, sagli.
Melissa.
Na-blind ka na.
Yung pa, sagli Abe nyo.
Wala na ka, boy.
38-57.
Ano sa Johnny Plaza Plaza sa buong.
And Lisan, no good. 38-57 a score para sa Coffee Mots. Ryan Azuro basket.
Arturo.
38-59 for Coffee Mots. Ako exciting again. Ang ina niya.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 50
Punong na naman.
seconds.
Ay, punong ka. Saan mo na lang naman ba?
Azuro again. Basket. 60-38. Ibanez for 3. Short. Isa pa. Wala pa. Oh, volleyball na.
Volleyball or soccer?
Tres again! Short! Kapoy na. But things should show na this game is wala na bere ngayon ano. Basket! 40-61!
2 minutes remaining time.
2 minutes remaining on our third quarter. Azuro again. Isa pa! Basket!
Arturo.
63-40! Basket, 63-42.
And Mata.
Uy,
130 seconds.
1:30 remaining on our third quarter. Elisan to Ibanez for 3. Short. Calvo. Nice pass to Buenafe.
1 minute.
Basket,
Alisa.
44-65.
50 seconds. 45. 40.
Ang referee nagtindog na lang. Chill,
35
chill.
seconds. 40 seconds.
Para tres! Wala, rebound for Trollers.
45 seconds.
Para man.
20 seconds remaining seconds.
Uy, mga mukha kabalasan man.
Kung duduot. Ay, pa si Rem kami pala. Chill lang yan, no? Chill. Tayo na.
Basket for Buenafe.
5.
Uy, God. End of our third quarter. 67-44. Dasig lang ba?
44 in favor of Baltimore.
Ora na, wala na blow yung away.
Wait.
Ay, nakakabot. Sana lang. Buhay pa, buhay pa. Kaya pa, kaya pa. Ikaw no.
Ikaw na, ikaw na. Ikaw. Wala po, wala ka.
Dogi nakapoy ka ng lantaw na nga eh.
Basta naman na. Gawin ko na ng Superiana, tawag pa ko na eh. Then, GC. Oh, lang to isa ka playero eh. Oh, wasila ba? Tugali lang ako. Coach ko na go. Di ba sila? Siya na lang lumabas doon eh.
Wala si Joey oh. Nice pass! Ay, wala pa.
Joey na nga.
Bravo.
Cabo for 2. 69-44. Andrino basket.
Rino.
46-69. Bala. Seal for Trollers. Nice pass. Basket. 48-69.
Ilan tara.
Sa Atlas. Bingo.
Buenafe for 3. Wala. Rebound for Trollers. Hulito natapal.
Clementine.
Basket. 50-69. Bullet pass to Calvo. Basket.
Bravo. 3 ball.
72-50. Trollers. Ibanez. Wala. Rebound. 4. Copy Mots. Trollers. Uy! Ay! Wala pa. Steal for Trollers. Olito for 3. Rebound for Copy Mods.
3 minutes.
Out of bounds. $50-72 ang atong score in favor of Copy Mods. Andrino for 3. Wala. Rebound para sa Copy Mods. Ay! No, no. Tres, wala. Rebound. Copy Mods. 50-74. Azuro short.
Last 2 minutes.
Both teams should not show that this game is wala na bere. Yan na. Pabalas na lang sila. 50-74. Copy Mods ball. Basket. 3 points. 77-50. Nice pass, basket. 52-77. 1:20 remaining on the fourth quarter. Uy! Why?
1 minute.
La! Abi ko piyo na! Hoy! Ra! Hoy!
30 seconds. 30 seconds.
End of the game, 52-79.
79-54 in favor of Copy Mods.
54 guys.
Best player of the game, Ryan Azuro.
Yes! Best player, Boss Ryan Azuro. Congratulations, Copy Mods. Kita sa championship. Rollers versus Puno Garisma. Announce na kami sa schedule. Thank you so much, guys. Why pa schedule? Best player of the game.
Best player!
Nice na yan, boss. Thank you, guys. Manaw sa Tasan Championship. Trollers versus Punong Garis. Congratulations sa tanan niya teams. Thank you so much.